Ever wondered if your current diet is the best for achieving your health goals? In the realm of nutritional strategies, there's one approach that's been gaining traction, and it's called intermittent fasting. It's not a diet in the traditional sense, but more accurately described as an eating pattern. It's a way of scheduling your meals so that you get the most out of them. It doesn't change what you eat, it changes when you eat. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for optimizing health. It's been linked with numerous benefits, from weight loss to improved metabolic health. It's not just about shedding a few pounds, though that's often a welcome side effect. It's about promoting overall wellness and even potentially increasing lifespan. So, if you're looking for a new approach to nutrition, one that doesn't require counting calories or giving up your favorite foods, intermittent fasting might just be the answer. Stay tuned to learn how you can harness the power of intermittent fasting to reach your health goals. So, what exactly is intermittent fasting? Well, think of intermittent fasting as a pattern of eating rather than a diet. It's a way of scheduling your meals so that you get the most out of them. Instead of changing what you eat, you change when you eat. It's about cycling between periods of eating and fasting. Imagine a day divided into two main phases, the eating window and the fasting window. During the eating window, you consume your daily caloric intake, and during the fasting window, you refrain from consuming any calories. Sounds straightforward, right? Now let's dive deeper into the different methods of intermittent fasting. First up, we have the 16/8 method, also known as the Lean Gains protocol. This method involves fasting every day for 14 to 16 hours and limiting your daily eating window to 8 to 10 hours. Within this window, you can fit in 2, 3, or more meals. This method is great for those who enjoy late breakfasts or early dinners. Next, we have the 5-2 method. This involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and reducing your calorie intake to about a quarter of your normal intake for the remaining 2 days. For those 2 days, you might only consume around 500 to 600 calories. Finally, we have the Eat Stop Eat method. This involves a full 24-hour fast, once or twice a week. This might sound a bit daunting, but remember, it's not about starvation. It's about giving your body a break, a chance to reset and repair. Each of these methods is effective, but it's crucial to choose the one that fits best with your lifestyle and dietary needs. Remember, the goal of intermittent fasting is not merely weight loss, but overall health improvement. Now that you understand what intermittent fasting is, let's explore how it can benefit your health. Why should you consider intermittent fasting? Well, imagine a lifestyle that not only helps you lose weight, but also improves your overall health, enhances your focus, and could even add years to your life. Sounds too good to be true, right? But these are just a few of the potential benefits of intermittent fasting. Let's start with weight loss, one of the most sought-after outcomes of any diet. Intermittent fasting simplifies calorie restriction. Instead of counting every single calorie, you just eat within certain hours of the day. This approach can naturally reduce your calorie intake while also boosting your metabolic rate, helping you shed those stubborn pounds. But the perks of intermittent fasting extend far beyond weight control. It also has profound effects on your metabolic health. By adjusting when you eat, you can help your body regulate blood sugar and insulin levels, enhance heart health, and even reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. And remember those school lessons about inflammation being the root of many diseases? Intermittent fasting can help there too. By giving your body a break from constant digestion, it has more time to focus on other processes like repairing cells and battling inflammation. Now let's talk about longevity. While we don't have a fountain of youth, intermittent fasting might be the next best thing. Studies on animals have shown that this dietary approach can extend lifespan. While human studies are still in the works, the results so far are promising. Yet, like anything in life, intermittent fasting isn't a magic bullet. It's a tool, and like any tool, it needs to be used correctly to be effective. It's also not suitable for everyone. Pregnant women, those with specific medical conditions, and people under 18 should always seek professional advice before starting any new dietary regimen. But for those who can safely incorporate it into their lifestyle, intermittent fasting can be a powerful ally in the quest for better health. Impressive, isn't it? But how do you get started with intermittent fasting? Stay tuned to discover how to embark on this transformative journey. Ready to give intermittent fasting a try? Well then, let's dive right into the essentials of getting started. First off, choosing the right method is crucial. There are several types, like the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. or the 5-2 method where you eat normally for 5 days a week and limit your calorie intake for the other 2. You might need to experiment a bit to find what suits you best. Once you've chosen your method, timing your meals becomes the next crucial step. Try to align your fasting periods with your sleep cycle. This way, you'll be sleeping for a good portion of your fasting time, making it feel less daunting. Now, managing hunger during fasting periods can seem challenging at first, but trust me, your body adapts over time. Drinking plenty of water, staying busy, and getting adequate sleep can all help curb those hunger pangs. And let's not forget the importance of maintaining a healthy diet during eating periods. Intermittent fasting is not a free pass to binge on junk food. Aim for balanced meals, rich in lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. So there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to kickstart your intermittent fasting journey. Remember, this isn't a race, it's a lifestyle change. So take small, steady steps. Remember, the key to success with intermittent fasting is patience and consistency. So, are you ready to transform your health with intermittent fasting? As we've explored, this eating pattern can offer profound benefits from weight loss to improved brain health. Remember, it's not about starving, but about strategic timing. However, always consult a healthcare provider before embarking on this or any dietary change. The journey towards better health is not a race, but a marathon. Embrace the power of intermittent fasting and take a step towards a healthier you. Thank you for watching. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Sharing is caring, so feel free to share this video with your friends and family who might also be interested in the power of intermittent fasting. And remember, the journey towards better health is a continuous one, so make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and guides. We regularly post videos on various health topics to help you stay on top of your health game. Thank you for your support, and remember, your health is your wealth.